Hello students, welcome to the science session. We are studying class 10 chapter 11, that is human eye and colorful world. This is part 4 of the video series, or you can say chapter series. Now friends, we have started this chapter with the human eye description. We saw the figure of human eye, we saw the parts of human eye. We also saw the functions of each part of our human eye. Then in the next video we learned about power of accommodation, how ciliary muscle helps our eyelids to get thick and thin, and we also saw how the focal length is related with the eyelids and ciliary muscles, right? The focal length can change when the thickness and thinness of the eyelids changes. And I made a special example or experiment, you can say, to make you understand about the role of ciliary muscle and eyelids. Then we went for near point and far point, right? And then in the third part, we discussed about defects of vision. In that, we studied about three main defects, that is myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. Also, we saw what is cataract, and then two extra we have learned, that was astigmatism and color blindness. I hope till the third part your notes are perfectly completed. Those who have not completed, please complete and submit, right? So that we can start with part 4. Now, before we start this video and the main content, let us see what are the topics which are discussed. So in this short video, we are discussing about a very important phenomenon, that is called dispersion of white light. Based on that, we will study what is spectrum, what is known as spectrum. Then we will see an experiment of a very famous scientist, which is called recombination of white light. And then we will end this video, the fourth and the last topic of this video, that will be rainbow. Okay, so today's all topics are very colorful, right? So let us start with the first one. Okay, now dispersion of light was initiated or studied or first obtained by a very famous scientist, which is or who is known as Isaac Newton. We all know about him. In 1665, Isaac Newton was a young scientist studying at Cambridge University in England. He was very interested in learning all about light and colors. One bright sunny day, what he did, he darkened his room and made a hole in his window shutter. He allowed only one beam of or a very short beam of sunlight to enter the room. He took a glass prism and placed in front of the window shutter. So the sunbeam entered through the hole and went into the glass prism. The result was a spectacular multicolor band of light, right? Which was just like a rainbow. So till his experiment, we can say that people did not knew how different colors of light were obtained. Why in this world are different colors? Why in this world we saw rainbows? So he was the first one to obtain this process. So moving to the main part, you can see in the figure we have a glass prism. What is a glass prism? I hope in mathematics geometry you have learned about prism. Okay, so it is a solid object which is having triangular base. Okay, so not going into detail, you can see the triangular part of the prism, and from one side white light is coming. Okay, this white light refracts. You can see this is glass and this is air. Okay, so the light is moving from air to glass. That means from rarer to denser medium. So what will happen? It will be refraction, right? One time refraction will occur over here and another time refraction will occur over here as the light ray will go from glass to air. You can see they are moving at a different angles. Okay, so they are bending at different angles. Now, after the second refraction, instead of white light, we are getting a band of light of different colors. So this phenomena of splitting of white light into its component colors is called dispersion of light. Okay, and we know that what is a major phenomena that is responsible. We will go for the cause, but right now the major phenomena of light which is responsible is refraction. Okay, because the medium here is changing. Here it is air, then it goes to glass, and then it goes to air again. Okay, so Isaac Newton was the first person to obtain this. Moving further, you see the figure is repeated, but we shall study about this band. This band of 7 colors is called spectrum. Okay, band of 7 colors obtained after dispersion of light, white light, is called spectrum. Right? So in total, there are 7 different colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, we shall remember it by a short form: V for violet, I for indigo, blue, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. So the shortcut becomes VIBGYOR. Clear? So this band of 7 colors obtained after dispersion of white light is called spectrum. Clear? This is again a definition. Okay. Moving further. Now you see the figure. Again we will discuss that what is happening in these two circles. You can understand that 2 times refraction is occurring. Okay. Now very important. We have to compare the conditions of white light and then the band. So when white light is there and from white light the 7 colors are obtained, that means all these colors are present in the white light. Okay. Now fix this in your mind that when light rays travel in space or air, all the component colors, all these 7 colors move say with the same speed. Okay. So when you see white light, that means it is a group of 7 light which is moving with the same speed. So that is why it is appearing white. But when they all together pass through dense medium or they change the medium, their speeds, their speeds change. So when they travel in space or air, all 7 have same speed. But when they change the medium, all the 7 component colors will have different speeds. So they all will move with a different speed. And based on their speed, they will bend through different angles. You can see bending is occurring due to refraction and change in speed. Right? So red has different speed, it has bended by different angle. Same way violet is having different speed, so it is bending at a different angle. Likewise, all are bending according to their own speed. Clear? So the speed is very important phenomena. Because of that, they split and form a band of 7 different colors. This band is called spectrum. Right? So what is the cause of dispersion? Difference in medium, difference in their speeds, and different bending angles will result in dispersion and a band of 7 colors.